Emma is 27 years old. She loves travel. She wants to see the world. Today, she arrives in a new city. It is her first time here. The sun is bright. The sky is blue. People walk, laugh, and drink coffee. Emma takes a deep breath. I love this city already, she says. She holds her phone and her small bag. Inside the bag is her passport, her wallet, and some money. She walks through a busy market. There are many people. Music plays. A man sings. A little boy gives her a flower. She smiles. She feels happy and safe. But she does not see the man behind her. Emma stops at a small cafe. She orders orange juice and sits down. She looks for her wallet, but it is not there. She checks her bag. Her bag is gone. Her hands shake. No, this is not real, she says. She stands up and looks around. Did anyone see my bag? She asks loudly. People shake their heads. Some people look away. She runs back to the market. She looks at every person, but the man behind her is gone. Emma sits down on a bench. She feels cold, even in the sun. She is alone in a new city with nothing. After some time, an old woman walks by. She wears a red dress and a yellow hat. You look lost, the woman says. Emma nods. My bag is gone, my phone, my passport. Everything, she says. The woman smiles. I know a place. Come with me, she says. Emma looks at her. Can she trust her? But she has no choice. She follows the woman down a small street. They stop at a tiny bookshop. The woman opens the door. Inside, she says. The shop smells like old paper and flowers. Books are everywhere. Soft music plays. A man sits behind the counter. He looks up and says, Ah, this is her? The woman nods. She loses something, she says. The man opens a drawer. Inside is Emma's bag. Emma's eyes go wide. My bag? How? The man laughs. A boy brings it here 1 hour ago. Emma opens the bag. Everything is inside, even her juice receipt. Nothing is missing. Who is the boy? Emma asks. The man and woman look at each other. Then the woman says, He is my grandson. He sees the man take your bag. He takes it back. Emma gasps. He takes it back? Alone? The woman nods. He is fast and brave. Emma feels tears in her eyes. Can I say thank you? The woman smiles. He is shy, but he likes books. You can write him a note. Emma takes a paper and pen. She writes, To my little hero, thank you for your big heart. She leaves the note on the counter. That night, Emma sits in her hotel. She holds her bag close. She thinks about the boy, the woman, the bookshop. She feels warm, not because she gets her things back, but because she sees kindness in a strange city. She opens her notebook and writes, "Some trips change your mind, but this trip changes your heart."